Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we want to talk about how to find the article in the research database. I think you are familiar with some database like Google Scholar, Scopus, Science Direct, IEEE and so on. So without wasting the time, let's go to give the tip how to find the research article. So you just imagine you have the one title, you want to find the related article. First of all, you must to know what are your keywords in your research. So you cannot easily put your title in the research database and find the paper. You must to use the keyword. What are the keyword? If you want to know about the keyword, we will make another video maybe later and introduce to you how you can use a keyword to improve our title or research topic. So we think that you know that how to find the keyword. Okay, for here, what are the keyword in this research topic? So look at it. We have a smart grid is one of the keyword, renewable energy is another keyword, mitigation is another keyword, and AI solution. So just imagine when you want to search the papers, if you just using the smart grid, renewable energy and mitigation AI solution, you may find a limited number of the papers. So what it means, maybe some other using the other type of the word to write the papers. For example, the renewable energy is very general. Maybe some people using the solar energy, wind energy, hybrid energy, so hydro energy or so on. So renewable energy is include all of them. It means renewable energy may be used in different variation. Or when we talking about AI solution, AI is different technique and different method. We have the deep learning, we have the machine learning, we have the fuzzy logic, we have the different technique of AI that maybe the different out there using different techniques. So you must to know that we should to use a different variation like this. For a smart grid, maybe the authors using the different keyword such this. The meaning is a smart grid, but they use it in different way. So when we talking about renewable energy integration, maybe the author using the different keyword with a different way. So even mitigation, voltage mitigation, frequency mitigation, grid stability, all related to the mitigation. And AI solution, as I mentioned to you, deep learning, machine learning, intelligent solution, these all can be in the title. So may someone ask how to put too many keywords to find the paper. So we have a tip and technique, and we want to make sure we find all the paper from the database. So if you specific just search for smart grid, renewable energy and mitigation and solution, you may find a limited number of paper, but you miss the variation. We will show you and explain for you how to find the related with more details. We have a database, some of them is available and is free available. The PDF file is available, you can download and you can read, and some of them is not available. We can call it closed access. So we have open access and closed access. So we have a different strategy to find the paper. One, to using the online database like Google Scholar, Scopus, Science Direct, IEEE. You may familiar with some more, and you may go through the research author profile like the Google Scholar profile, Scopus profile, LinkedIn, ResearchGate, Academia, other research profile that author maybe make it for self, and related article, article reference, journal website. So let's go to give you more example. Let me go to the when we tell you about the Google Scholar, I think is wrong if you're going to find the paper in the Google. So I think all of you know that we should, for the searching paper in the Google, you should to go to a specific website. The name is Google Scholar because it is more related to the academic. And this is the title of the website. You can use such this. To you just search a smart grid. When we searching a smart grid alone, we found almost 2 million paper that using the smart grid. So it's too much. You cannot read the 2 million paper, and you cannot. We should to manage this 2000 paper. Then if you put we put the some quotation before and after a smart grid, then let me see how many paper now is limited to 1 million, almost half. Okay, so one more thing you can arrange here, sort on the last 5 years. Those last 5 years paper that talking about is smart grid, in almost 200,000 papers in the last 5 years. Okay, let me see. Those paper has a PDF file. We call it open access. It means they have access to the PDF file, but some of them is not available here. This is the or challenges. Now this paper is the PDF file available. If you click on that, you can read the information over there. You can download and you can easily access to the paper. You have full access. If you look at the end of the paper, there is a lot of reference over there. Maybe some journal between 10 to 100 reference. Each journal may have the reference. So from this reference also you may find the other paper as well. So one of the way to find the papers, you may look for the reference of the other papers. So this is the one of the way to find the paper. So our problem with this part, those papers don't have the PDF file, it means close access. One way is to find the related article. If you see there is a one button here mention related article. If you click on that, if this paper is not available, maybe you look for this topic and these papers that the PDF file is available as near to that topic. So you have more chance to get more papers from here. Another button here is cited. This paper cited by many papers. So almost 147 papers cite this paper. So this paper, like this paper or like this paper, the PDF file is available, and you may have a chance to get a more paper and related area. If this paper is not available, you may look for these two options also. So let's go back to the PowerPoint. Okay, we just show you one database, Google Scholar. We didn't show you the author profile. Author profile I didn't mention. Related article and reference and journal website. So okay, let's go back to the Google Scholar. Okay, another way to find the research profile, you can look for the author profile. If you see this paper has a 4 or 5 authors, some of them have the research profile. Those have the line under the name, they have the research profile, but some of them don't have. You may have a chance, if you cannot find the related article from you cannot find this paper, you may look for the profile of this author here. Click on the profile of the authors, and you may look other paper published by the same author. Maybe is related to your area and may have a more chance. And this another author, look, he has a lot of publication, so maybe you have a more chance to find the more paper from the research profile. So when we talking about research profile, you must click on the name of the profile. Some researcher upload the paper in the ResearchGate, upload in the LinkedIn, in the other social media. You must to follow them and find the papers if the paper is not available. Another way is me to go to the online database. What are the online database? Online database is usually available in the university. For example, DMU University library. Just search like that. Any library, any university you can search. They have a similar website, similar strategy. You may follow a similar strategy. I just search for DMU library. I reach to this website. You must to look for the e-resource or A to Z database. A to Z database. you go to A to Z database, just click on that. Okay, you can see the journal are categorized based on the alphabet. If you're looking for Scopus, if you're looking for the Science Direct, you may click on the starting by S by Science Direct and Scopus. If you're looking for IEEE, you may to look for I. You can find IEEE. If you're looking for ProQuest, that show the thesis and dissertation, you may go to ProQuest Central, ProQuest Online Library. So this is the, if you going to check other university also, you must to follow similar way. For example, Uni10 library is another university. University by the university different. Maybe some university have a full access to database. Some university maybe they are specific for energy or IT or computing or media. They have access to the limit number of the database. For example, this university have access to Scopus, Science Direct, IEEE, Emerald, and another one, Bernama Library. 4-5 library only. But if we compare to the DMU University, DMU got a lot of subscription. So let me go to another university. University Malaya. Okay, just go for A to Z database. This one, University Malaya, A to Z database Malaya. So again, you can see here the journal arranged sorted by alphabet. If you look for the Scopus or Science Direct, you may go to the S. Science Direct is there, Scopus is there. If you're looking for the IEEE is there. So this is the 3 university I will explain for you. Another university may last. Okay, APU library database. I told you some university have full access, some university has a limited access. Maybe some, as I mentioned to you, due to the cost of the subscription to the journal is different. And some university maybe focus on the agriculture, some university focus on the energy solution, and some university maybe focus on IT. They are need only to subscribe to the IT journal. So for example, this university has access to the IEEE, ProQuest, and Science Direct. That's very important. And Springer. This website is enough, more than enough for those researchers looking for the working on the IT, media, and engineering. And then they can use such this database. Okay, let's go back to the PowerPoint. One more thing for journal website, for example, energy, International Journal of, for example, this is one of the best journal. Okay, International Journal of Hydrogen Energy. As I mentioned to you, you can find a more related article. For example, if you search in the journal websites, a smart grid, it show the, is connected to the Smart Science Direct. See, you can find more paper in the journal website. So this is another way. Let's go back to the PowerPoint. So we introduced the online database, author profile, related article, and journal website. We also discussed about how to get access to the university through the sorting based on the alphabet, university subscription. If you are outside, you must use a user and password that you can take from your library. Let's go back to the one of the database that introduced, for example, Scopus. This is the Scopus profile, the website. You want to search for the smart grid, and just put it in the quotation to be more specific. Okay, in the title. Okay, first let me see if the smart grid, if in the title, abstract, or keywords, any paper, just give it to me, give it to me. How many paper? I think 58 times smart grid in the abstract or title or keyword. If we just limit it to the title only, let's search again how many paper used the smart grid in the title only. So if you want to use the only 20,000 paper using smart grid in the title. So if you remember, it's maybe some author using different variation of the smart grid. So maybe some author using the, or you may say, or using the quotation micro grid quotation, or modern grid. Let me see how many. Now we search if we can increase the number of variation here. This is all. This tree is a similar keyword for the smart grid. So number of paper is increased to 45,000. It's too much. But one more thing, these three all related to one keyword. We cannot concentrate on the one keyword. You should to make it more specific. Okay, if three keyword and my second keyword is about the renewable energy. I put in the quotation renewable energy. It means included one of these three and renewable energy in the title. If you find any paper that include one of these three keyword and renewable energy, just select that paper and bring for me. Now is number of paper reduced significantly to 1,400. Or renewable energy, as I mentioned to you, have a different variation. Now you can make sure to cover all of them. Okay, title. Renewable energy can be solar energy, wind energy. So let me put different variation. So let's see what happens. Solar energy, quotation wind energy, quotation search. Just imagine now the number of paper from 1,000 to reach to this almost 1,700. So what we say, one more time we review. If any paper including these three keywords, a smart grid, microgrid, modern grid, and include one of these three. So we have another two keyword over, as I discussed in the topic. You can add here. Then to be more specific and to find the more related article, you can make it specific like that. And in addition to this, if you want to go for advanced, you can sort it based on the year. You may say last 5 years, how many papers published. 1,500 become to now only 700. Who is the best author names? The best author names you can see here. If you need to know more, you can click on show all. Sometimes it's important for you to find the best researcher in the world. This is the person. 16 paper published in this area. And sometimes you want to focus on the engineering, energy, and computing. You can select and make it limit to those subject area, limit to. So this is the very great. And you want to find, for example, the paper published by this university, paper published by MIT, paper published by a specific organization or countries. You want to see only papers published by China. You can include and exclude the papers. So this is very great. And sometimes you can analyze here. This give you the very nice graph. So number of the publication per year. So you can look here in this year, I think is during the COVID-19, the number of publication reduced, but again is increasing. Okay, and this is showed that, for example, in these keywords we search, are the best authors. This one, university affiliation, which university working on that. If you look, click to this, you can zoom. I forget, King Saud University, for example. Taif University, Delhi University publish a lot of paper in this area. You want to search by, for example, India is the best, China followed by China, Saudi Arabia, United States, and so on. Okay, let's go back to PowerPoint. We discussed about the access to database. Then we give you tip to using the or and not include in the search. You can use not also, not include in the search, and you can use the quotation to make it more specific. You can use the star before and after the keyword to get a more variation of the keywords. And I told you to for the advanced search, you can sort by type of document, research, conference, review paper, by finding the authors or publisher, the affiliation. You can find the thesis and the dissertation, and in the last, you may using the AI tools, new tools like a Science Space and Perplexity to find the literature for your work. Thank you for your attention. Hope this video useful for you.